Create a statement side twist ponytail hairstyle using Magic-Grip Hairpins. Isolate a small side section and twist away from your face. Secure with a Magic-Grip hairpin by placing the legs of the pin on either side of the twist and pushing upwards. Gently tug on the section to create volume. Twist the remaining side section above your ear away from your face and secure with a Magic-Grip hairpin behind your ear. Move the length of your hair over to one side and separate a small section at the base of your head. Twist this small section together and wrap tightly around the hair to create a side ponytail. Secure the end of the twist wrap with the Magic-Grip hairpin, with the legs of the pin inserted into all layers of the twisted section, pushing upwards to secure. A side ponytail elevated with Magic-Grip hairpin side twists, perfect for everyday and special occasions.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.